Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into American Express reward card from your PC. Now without further ado, let's start right into the video. To log into American Express reward card from your PC, firstly you need to open your preferred browser. As I have preferred to open Google Chrome. On the search bar, click over there and search americanexpress.com or American Express Rewards Login. And on the first result of Google, you can see americanexpress.com. Click over there. And from the direct website, we are on the American Express homepage. To log into American Express reward card, you need to click on login at the top right corner of the screen. To log into your American Express reward card, you need to change your account type. From the category, click on membership rewards and you will be required to enter your user ID and password. Then click on login. If you have forgot your user ID or password, then click on forget user ID or password to reset new user ID or password. Or if you haven't created your American Express reward card ID or account, then click on create new online account. If you have received your card, then click on confirm card receipt. And this is how we log into American Express reward card from your PC. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.